Apple declined to launch iPhone SE2, media. The main reason is the epidemic of coronavirus. Apple refused to hold a March presentation. It was expected that Apple will hold a traditional spring presentation in March, at which it announces the new iPhone SE2 and iPad Pro. Now the company has abandoned plans for the event, Forbes reports. As the magazine notes with reference to its own sources, the main reason for the cancellation of the presentation is the epidemic of the new coronavirus. The event was expected to bring thousands of people from all over the world who were supposed to gather at the Steve Jobs Theater. It is also noted that the authorities of the Santa Clara County, in which the presentation was to be held, from March 10, imposed a ban on holding mass meetings of more than 1,000 people for 3 weeks. Officially, Apple did not announce plans for the presentation, so you can't even talk about its cancellation. It is also noted that the decision to hold the annual Apple WWDC 2020 conference has not yet been made. It should take place in June, and if the situation with the epidemic changes, it will probably go as planned. But the publication emphasizes that the company is unlikely to want to expose 4,000 people who will come to the conference at risk of infection. Subscribe to our technology news feed. This is not the first large-scale event that they decided to cancel or reschedule because of the coronavirus. So, the organizers are considering the possibility of canceling the largest gaming exhibition E3. Their conferences and forums were canceled by Google, Facebook, Nvidia, and Twitter recommended that their employees work from home. Due to the risk of coronavirus infection, the ITB Berlin International Tourism Fair in Berlin was cancelled this year. In addition, the annual Geneva Motor Show was cancelled for the first time in 70 years in Switzerland. In Japan, the Festival of Flowering and Admiring Sakura, which takes place in April, was cancelled.